Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Beat Studio Pro and ensuring basic prerequisites are met: charged battery, Bluetooth on, and the Beats app installed. Once powered, press and hold the power button for about 1.5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Next, open the Beats app or device Bluetooth settings and select the Studio Pro. Make sure the app can access Bluetooth and location, so the headset and phone exchange settings. This step lets you enable noise cancellation options in the app later. Once connected, go into the Beats app and tap the Studio Pro tile to find noise control settings. This is where you enable active noise canceling. Select active noise canceling to turn it on and use the provided sliders or presets to adjust ANC intensity. Higher levels block more low-frequency noise, but may affect sound signature. If your model supports EQ or personalization, tweak those now so ANC and tone work together. Make sure to test in a noisy environment to verify the setting feels right. Finish by testing the noise cancellation across environments, on public transit, in an office, and outdoors to confirm performance. Switch to transparency mode when you need situational awareness. If ANC won't engage, first toggle Bluetooth off/on, quit the Beats app, and restart the headset. Often that clears hiccups. If problems persist, unpair and repair the device. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and update firmware again. This sequence resolves most issues and restores ANC functionality without losing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.